Hi, my name is Manahil Rizwan, and this is my Tableau 2 project. So let's get into it. So for this data set, for this project, we had a data set that basically included a variety of different items ranging from personal items to grocery to paper products and much more. And they were the sales given in each state. So I began by analyzing the sales by state in this worksheet, and I ordered it from ascending to descending. So here we can see that California has the highest sales, and if we scroll down, we can see that North Dakota had the lowest sales. So then after that, I decided to look at the sales by department, and I noticed that the grocery, paper products, and personal items, they all had the highest sales in California once again. And clearly at this bar graph, we can see that um, California is an outlier because all the other states, they have a very average sale, whereas in California, it's a very high. So with that, I took California and I put it on a map and I decided to look at the states, the cities in the state of California. And here we can see that um, the the circles show the states, and the bigger the circle, the higher the sales. So for example, over here in Fresno, we can see that it is a fairly small circle, whereas right next to it in Visalia, it is very large. There's this large circle. Um, then I took the sales and I put it into year by item. So I so we can see that in 2017 and 2018, both facial tissues, Kleenex, and over here the paper towels have fairly lower sales than all the other products. Like, for example, um, conditioner and Cliff Bars and all that, they have high sales, whereas for Kleenex over here, and especially in 2018, and paper towels in 2018, the sale is very low. So, with that being said, I decided to put it onto a dashboard. And dashboards, they basically show side by side comparison of two different worksheets. And for this specific project, I decided to use um, the California, the sales by item and the sales by state worksheets, because in the sales by state worksheet, we can see that California has the largest sales once again, and taking that into account, I put it into the sales by item and by year, and it's 2017. Um, we can see once again that there is an outlier here. And we can play around with this if we wanted to and add on different states here, and then it would just add on to a thing, and we can compare two states side by side if we wanted, or we can just go back to just one state. Um, so for my story, I decided to start by looking at the sales all around the United States in different states, and we have this worksheet here once again. And then we go into the sales by department, and we can see that California once again has very high sales. So I wanted to look into what doesn't sell in California. And so we come here and we look at the individual products in 2017, this is, and we can see that um, the Nexus conditioner has very, very high sales, whereas the facial tissue, specifically the Kleenex brand, has low sales. And then we look into 2018 and we notice that for 2018, the conditioner still had a very high sale, but the Kirkland Signature 5% foam for men had even higher sales, and once again, the Kleenex and the paper towels had low sales. And then here is the sales in city, and if we just zoom in here, we can see that there it is. And looking into this, we can look at what the outliers are, what the trends are, what profit and what did not profit. So it is clear that the paper towels and the Kleenex did not profit in California. So moving forward, I believe that we should look into the reasons why it wouldn't have done as well as in other states, and either work to improve the sales for this, or just stop selling in California overall. Thank you.